Because today we're doing a soft look, that will mean we make our face pop and be glowy and feel really beautiful. So we're going to go in with our moisturizer and our primer first so that they start sitting in as we do our eyes. So I've just applied my moisturizer. I'm going to go in with my NYX face primer. I'm going to do my eyebrows now with this Davis pencil number 18. I'm going to clean my eyebrows with these two concealers from Ezekiel Cosmetics. So now we are done with the eyebrows. I'm going to go in with the concealer to over my eyelids. Now I've already based my eyebrows with the concealer, and we're going to go to the eyeshadow now. And I'm going to use this Glam Beauty eyeshadow palette. And we will go in with this brownish shade. It's a very soft matte that we can use as our transition color. So now I'm done with the transition shade. I'm going to take in my concealer, which I'm going to use it as my eyeshadow base, and put it and like add it so that my main color pops. Then I've already set my base. Then I'm going to go in with this color. It's called I Do. Then you're going to tap it like on the inner side of the After we are done with the first shade, we're going to go in with this brown shade that we used as our transition color. Then after we are done, we're going to go back to our first color and try to blend the two colors so there are no harsh lines. This is how it looks so far. Then lastly, we are going to take this brown shade and finish off our eyeshadow. To finish up the eye makeup, we're going to go in with this Zaron gel eyeliner. So this is how the eye makeup looks so far, and you're going to go in with this Glam Beauty eyelashes in the style Ada. They're very mild, simple lashes. So we are done with the eye makeup, and I've put very mild lashes, as you can see, but the look is cute. So let's go to our face. So recently I was trying things out with my foundations. I mixed these two foundations, the Estee Lauder foundation and the Ezekiel foundation, and I really loved the outcome. So that is what I'm going to do today. I'm going to mix the two foundations and you're going to see what it turns out. I'm going to highlight my face using my Ezekiel Cosmetic concealer. I'm going to use this beauty blender to blend my concealer out. I've already put water in it, and that's why it looks like it has swollen. I'm going to set in the concealer with this palette. Right now I'm going to blend everything out with my powder shade. Then I'm going to blush my face using this palette. And I'm going to combine these three colors together so that I'm able to come up with a blush. So our face is warm now. Then you're going to highlight using these two. Actually, my goal is to really show you how you can utilize your palettes. Like, I'm really trying to use one palette with the whole face so that you're able to see and utilize the palettes that you have. You might not have a separate highlighter or a separate blush, you know, or separate palettes, but your palettes could have really good colors. So I'm just trying to show you how you can really use all the colors and all the shades in your one palette, or different palettes, but when you just want to use one palette and come up with a beautiful look. So we are done with the face. We are going to the lips, and for this look we're going to make it nice and simple and very beautiful and cute. So I'm going to go in with my Davis eye pencil as my lip liner, and then I'm going to use two of my concealers, and I'm going to show you how we are going to create an amazing lip color from just these two. So we have finished lining our lips, and so we are going to do we're going to take our first concealer, the dark one. We're going to take the dark concealer that I have, ZKL Cafe. Then after we are done with our first concealer, we're going to go in with the lighter concealer and put it at the middle of the lips. So this is it, but to finish up the lips, we're going to top it up with this clear lip gloss from Nana Coco. And that has been it. This is the final look, guys. This is it, guys. So this is the final look. I love the outcome, and if you've liked the video, please like it, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click that button, the subscribe button, and the bell next to it, so that you're notified every time I post a new video. Otherwise, thank you so much. God bless.